morning, everyone. I come here to share the experience of work, research, and part of action research in our university. The title of Encycling to Bangkok Creative City is kind of mean. I try to signify the project direction of using cycling or bicycle as a tool to bring back a creative environment to Bangkok. So, as a creative city project, we always have a triple bottom line, which is social, economic, and environment benefit to the project. And the creative city in this project means that we try to balance work and leisure. We try to create environment so that work and leisure can be complement part to each other and to the living process of the everyday life of Bangkok people. From our traditional aquatic route, we have that kind of setting in the past. We have water transportation that are also a recreation way of life. We have this kind of leisure and work, economic building and society building at the same time in the past. But now, Bangkok has changed to sprawl of land-based system. We kind of lost the way of work and leisure together in everyday life, and land transportation right now has left a lot to be desired for our city living. You can see how we lost our aesthetic part of everyday life, and the system is still not very functioning as much as the network before. You know, considering the city that has expanded a lot. So we try to bridge this project, try to bridge the water system, water network with the land network of transportation, because we consider transportation is the, people spend a lot of time on transport themselves to work, to school, and to other recreation part of life. Now, we think that if we bridge, if you see in this picture, you can see the mass transportation, BTS and MRT line, which is not very, not expand much in the city, and you see. Actually, you see the main river here. The main river, the Chao Phraya River, divides between two sides. This is the main, the city center side and Thonburi side. This is mass transportation, BTS and MRT, existing mass transportation right now, which only extend very small part into Thonburi side. But this is the system, the canal network, that crisscrossing kind of very good network and better network in the Thonburi side than in the city center side. So we try to try to do hybrid system that connect water transportation to land-based transportation, which are the mass transit. So our project we call canal cycling and community because of the bottom line, the triple bottom line of economic, social and environment. We try to create a cycling highway network through canal system. So if you see this is the BTS line that come to Thonburi side. This is Japiya River. This is Thonburi side. You can see canal networking crisscrossing the area better than the road network. It's very far apart. We have small road network, but it's not connected. Okay, I see that. So we try to use the existing canal network to bridge the transportation system and bring the people from this area to bus transportation. And we kind of talk to authority, which is Bangkok authority, and we talk to community, and we start process of community participation a year ago, and the result is that everyone kind of agree that if we have this kind of bridging transportation, the children or elder and a lot of people from Thonburi side can access the mass transit system that are connect to the main city area. So after the community participation process, we pick the part. Actually, there is a existing part that are not, it's kind of function, but it's not connect and not quite safe enough, not convenient enough, because in building transportation network, we have to make it safe, convenient, and also very pleasure to use. So we pick the existing part and suggest the way to improve it a little bit. So this is the start of the existing route, which is from a temple in the area, and we try to inform, add the information into the existing facility, so that people know there is this kind of part facility that connect to other part of the town or of the local area. We add safety facility or safety signage. This is the existing one. It is very beautiful in a way, but we try to add something, make something better. So we put the sign in so that it's informed and kind of try to build a culture of sharing part between bicycle and walk and pedestrian people. There is still some facility that's not safe. We suggest that you can do the safety side, or you can do some colorful things or art into the adding the more modern aesthetic into local aesthetic to make it lively. So from that, there is some network that already exists, so we can add information into the part, or add some. This is also information, and some lively thing, art, stage. Make it very surprise thing into the local setting. And beyond the part, actually we as triple bottom line, as I said, you cannot just do the part. You have to do something that create economic and social life into the community. So this is the place, along the path, along the cycling path, that you can make that the project try to make it into a market. So it's a small local market that they invite everyone in the community to sell things, and they create market in every weekend, something like that. So product is being produced in the local community, and there is a place that they can sell product that people know. There is a food market in there. People know where they can stop along the path, and there is a social activity also in that market. Family can spend time with each other, listen to music, eat something, and shop local market. Which actually this area is agriculture area. They grow food, they grow vegetable and fruit in the area, so they can get the local product in here. So activity, children, elderly, and everyone can spend time together in the local market. And so that's probably an example that I want to show for today, for the time that we have. And actually I come to Kyoto because of this project also. I come by myself once last year to see to study or to learn the facility, the bicycle facility that suit several or different situations in Kyoto and in Bangkok. In Bangkok, in local area, the street is very small, and everyone in the authority, Bangkok authority, said that we cannot do the bicycle sharing with the car, it's too dangerous and things like that. And when I come here, I see that it's work here. Why it cannot work in Thailand, right? So I come to kind of study how it will work, how it works here, and how I can apply it back into Bangkok. But that's other thing. I actually for encycling to Bangkok Creative City, we as a group, research university and community has a lot of projects that we try to make use of bicycle and cycling habit, try to change the city so that it's become more pleasure and suit for more creativity in the future. But we found that starting with very, very small project and community affect a lot. Then we have the cycling plan, the master plan, bicycle master plan in Bangkok. But when we show that to authority, it's not very, they accept it, but they never try to implement it fast enough. So we have to do the both scale. We have to do top down, which is Bangkok's bicycle master plan, and we have to do bottom up, which is very, very small project, right? This to make the thing move, because our government haven't give enough attention to this kind of development as much as we would like to. So that's what I prepared to share with you today, and I would appreciate any comments, suggestion, what you do it, sharing how you do it in here and things like that. Thank you.
Thank you.